Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Protect, Live, and Survive. Today, we're going to talk about alternatives to your fire stove. Okay, I used this one in a previous video. Okay, you can get these on Amazon, eBay for relatively cheap. I have the description below if you want to check it out. It goes straight to the link, no cost to you, whatever. It's like $13 or $15. The price went up. When I got it, it was only like 12 bucks. Okay, but I have an alternative method. Say that 5 times. Sorry. 5 times fast. To that. So let's say you have this laying around the house. This is coffee cans, right? They still make them out of metal, which I think is fantastic because a lot of them are made of like a hard cardboard or some like plastic, right? But if you can get a metal coffee can, or if you have one laying around the house, or your grandparents' house, or your family's house, or even in your place. This is great. This is phenomenal, right? You stick a can of beans. Okay. You cut it. You make slits. You can use scissors. You can use metal wire snippers, right? And just make slits and cut. Draw with your marker, right? And then you're just gonna cut it, and you're gonna fold it over. Okay. It's gonna look like that. So a can of beans, coffee can. You cut out a hole. Okay, with whatever tools you have laying around the house, right? Or you could just use a knife and just pop, right? You take this, slide it in through the hole. You gotta measure it again, but with the marker and stuff, right? You just pop it in. You just slide it through, right? And then you take those pieces and you fold them over. So it looks like that inside, okay? I don't know if you can see that. Let's get this light in here. Alright, you want it to look like that inside. Okay? Put your wood, pieces of wood in there. You put your fire accelerant, like if you have cotton balls or Vaseline, which I like to use. You use lighter fluid, whatever you have available to you to start a fire. Get the fire going, and then get more pieces of sticks, twigs, branches, and start feeding it through here for your fire, right? Because you don't want to burn yourself. I mean, you're gonna have whatever's on top cooking in your skillet, whatever it is, right? So this is one alternative you can do. Makeshift, do it at home. It works. Trust me, it works just as well as these guys. The only thing, this is flat, packs in your book bag, and you're ready to go out and whatever survival mission, camping trip, whatever, right? Or you can get one of these. This is a regular Bustelo, right? Because Spanish people, we love our Bustelo. Hey, you can use this as another method. That's an alternative, all right? So what you're gonna do is, you know those can openers, the little triangle tips with the square piece on the back, the old school ones, where you pop a hole on this side, pop a hole on this side, so you can get your juice going and your tomato juice going. You're gonna use that. You're gonna make several holes. Right, triangular, and then you're gonna pop one here, pop one here, pop one here, pop one here in the middle, and then just square it out. Okay. The different method with this is you're gonna have your little fire going in a controlled area, right? So you're gonna have your little cotton wool, your accelerant, whatever. However you get your fire going, you're gonna get it going with your sticks. You're gonna put this on top, right over it, so it comes up, and you start cooking right away. The only thing is, like, when you need more, you're gonna have to lift it. Or drop to the top, like get twigs, you can just drop to the top here. So you remove your whatever you're cooking on, so you don't burn yourself. Put it back on, and just keep the fire going. Okay. So just want to touch base with that topic. I hope this helps somebody. You try it for yourself. I've already done these, trial and error, true and proven. Anyway, guys, welcome to Protect, Live, and Survive. Stay safe. Peace. I don't know, maybe you want to get a lighter, just get the fire going, like whatever, right?